The Kollmorgen se10200-000000 is a member of the servostar family of servo amps, along with the previous SR version. This motor controller came to ERD dead, and we had to do a full rebuild of the entire unit to get it to power on, which is shown in the video. These Kollmorgen controllers require an open frame servo motor, which we do not have, so we had to use a linear load to test the output stage of the driver, which worked as shown. ERD has hundreds of motors, but we cannot have every custom motor required for every job, which is why we use the linear light load to simulate the windings of a motor as shown in the test video. This form of test covers 99% of what a motor would show as long as we commutate the outputs with one of our many motor feedbacks. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.